Good morning. It's Tuesday, June 30th, 2015. Walking the dog. Somebody doing the phone work. Anyway. My mom's sending me on a bunch of market going trips and whatnot today. Yeah, I don't know what that cable guy is doing there. I sure hope it's not for ours. Hope we're not getting shut off or something stupid. Oh man, it's beautiful temperature out. Okay, making my mom some Cheerios. She's gonna divert this whole day after this. Okay, we got a hurricane warning down toward Allentown, which isn't really that far from here. I don't know if we could have some spin-off twisters or what. But my mom's sending me market going. So hopefully I don't get blown away in a hurricane. I got a tree falling on me. I gotta go to the bank first. Deal with her banking.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good, thanks.
Yeah, banking first. Okay, I have to stop at the sundry store for Robert to buy him his sundries. Well, that sundry store was out of the particular sundries that Robert likes, so I'll have to go up the street to a different sundry store. This is really aggravating. I gotta get out of the pouring rain to buy him stuff I don't even want to buy him. Wow, it's really coming down now. That's crazy. Well, I gotta go up to Bangor. I was gonna buy 30 gallons of water. I don't know if I'm gonna bother with it pouring out and dealing with those waters. We'll see. I'll get to see how many groceries this is. See how many I can fit in the car of water. I'd like to get the whole month's worth of water. We drink about 30 gallons a month. Because the tap water is really awful. I gotta get the mail while I'm up here. Hopefully there's not a tornado coming this far up. Okay, we're really getting some lightning. I had to pay the bill. They were gonna shut the darn post office box off tomorrow. My mom forgot to pay the bill. Well, this is cutting into any kind of grocery money. And she added some other stuff I gotta get at the dollar store. I only have $100 on the card that I can use. Okay, off to Bangor. Well, nothing like pumping gas in a lightning storm. Okay, Family Dollar. I got my mom some stuff here. Okay, back to Main Street Market. I'm gonna have to do some math to see how much I can actually have left to spend. Okay, not too bad. 37 something. 37.17. It's actually a good deal for all this stuff. And Tuesdays we get 8% off. we'd get another 6% off on top of that if we were able to use my American Express card that she's got tapped out. If we could pay that off and just use that for groceries, then we get 6% back. I paid $75 a year for that stupid card. It's kind of silly just having to sit there not using it for what its intended purpose. Microwaving a little leftover macaroni salad. It's good cold, but I like it a little warmer. Not hot. Anyway, I love this Jamaican jerk. I'm going to put this stuff on. It's like awesome seasoning. Okay, leftovers from last night for me. I gave my mom 2 chicken legs from the store that I got her. That's what she wanted. I hope she eats some more of this later. Okay, it's about 9 o'clock in the evening. Taking the dog out early for his last outing because my mom wants to get to bed early. Because tomorrow, I'm not going to be able to work on any cars tomorrow. I have to go to some hospital class with her. Cat makes him nuts. Anyway, I don't know what they want us to watch, a film or something about our upcoming hip replacement. So we'll be there tomorrow. I don't know. I hope it goes well. I think it'll be like the new mom, you know? She's been dealing with this for about 2 years. I've been trying to get her to do this for like 2 years. What a waste. And what extra pain was added by not doing it earlier on. I'm glad she's at least doing it. Anyway, you guys have a good night. I'll see you all tomorrow.